Engineering Night program, which you guys are all at, is organized by the Western UP Center for Science, Math, and Environmental Education, and the group conducts these sorts of events at all sorts of different schools throughout the Upper Peninsula, so we're glad that we could be here and kind of expose and teach you guys a little about engineering and science tonight. My name is Brennan. I'm a mechanical engineering student at Michigan Tech, and people with the degree in mechanical engineering that I'm going for deal with all sorts of things from automobiles and cars to planes to robots to all sorts of different stuff that you can do with an engineering degree.
I'm Jeff Lowe. I'm also at Michigan Tech. I'm a chemical engineering major. And do any of you eat Lunchables for lunch before? Yeah? Chemical engineers actually make the packaging that you eat your Lunchables out of. And the papers that you're using as well, chemical engineers do that.
So the goal of Family Science and Engineering Night is to bring you families together to kind of have fun doing both science and engineering together. So we're hoping that's what we'll be able to have you guys do tonight. And you already sit in your group, so that's excellent. It's all about working together with your family and having fun doing it. So we're going to get started with a short little game we like to call I Spy Engineering. So as you've heard from Jeff and I, engineers make a lot of different stuff. And there's stuff all around us that has been involved with engineering. So you guys ever played I Spy before? Yeah? Alright, so I'm gonna say I Spy, and I'm gonna describe some things that engineers have made, and I'm gonna see if you guys can guess them, okay? Alright. So I spy with my little eye something an engineer designed that made it so we don't have to sit on the floor.
The chair.
Chairs? Excellent. Excellent. I spy with my little eye something that allows us to tell time. Yeah.
Watch.
A watch? Yep, a watch. Anything else that would help us tell time? Yeah.
Clock.
A clock. Excellent. I spy with my little eye something an engineer designed that helps us write. Yeah.
Pencil.
Pencil. Excellent. Anything else that helps us write? Yeah.
Pen.
Pen. Yep. Yep. Anything else maybe? Yeah.
Chalk.
Chalk, yep, excellent, excellent. And paper too, all those sorts of things. Can anybody else think of anything that an engineer might have helped design or create that we use every day? Yeah.
The overhead of them.
Yeah, excellent. Phone, excellent. Yeah.
Computer.
A computer, yep, excellent. Those are all sorts of things that engineers have made. So, TV, yeah, exactly. Exactly, engineering is all part of that. So.
You did it. I know how this goes.
You did?
One piece of everybody's on the circle. I think I created my own slingshot. Take pieces and put them in.
You want to start discussing what each piece is used for? How about this?
That's to push the ink cartridge out. That way you could write with it.
Yeah, it's like the top part of it. It screws into the bottom. How about this?
That helps it push out.
That helps it push out the.
Yeah, so you can click it, right?
Yeah.
So it's the spring. And how about this piece right here?
Oh, that's the thing too.
That's the
knob that you
Yep.
push
Yeah,
out.
you push down. Yep. And then this really small black piece right
That
here.
helps the ink cartridge go
Yeah.
down.
That goes into the design.
Yep. Same with here. So why don't we get started with the first activity then? So what we just did is kind of something called reverse engineering. It's when you take it apart to figure out what it does. And now we're going to try to put it back together. So you did all that work to not quite yet.
Not yet.
When I say go, we'll put it back together, okay? And so try to let everybody get a chance to pick up the pieces. So don't go too fast, but try to put it back together as fast as you can when I give you the word. And so if you can remember how to put it back together, and each person try to do it by themselves, and we'll see how fast we can do it. And I'm gonna announce out every 5 seconds. I'm gonna say what time it is. So then you guys kind of try to keep track of your time. So if you can tell one person to kind of write down the times of each group member.
Yep, and there should be a sheet on there that you can write those times. All right, ready, set, go.
Take one of each piece.
15 seconds.
Twist it, twist it, twist it.
There you go.
Two. Oh, getting close. 2:15. 2:20.
Leanna. Or your brother.
2:45.
You stuck at it there.
I got it. I'm just building this.
Who had a pretty fast time? Who thinks they were the fastest?
Well,
All right. What was your time?
24 seconds.
24 seconds. Wow. Anybody think faster than 24? What was yours?
35 seconds.
35. Wow, it's still pretty fast.
Real quick. Do you think you guys can do a little bit faster if you work together?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Do that again.
How about we restart it, but whoever gets done first on our group would like count the time.
Count the fastest time?
Yeah.
You could do that, but I think we might even be able to do faster than most of your times if we work together. Has anybody heard of an assembly line?
Nope.
Yeah.
What's an assembly line?
It's like a conveyor belt. It's like one, and people take turns making it. Like someone would put wheels on a car, then someone could put the hood on it.
Exactly. So each person does a different part as they put it together. So if each person put together one part of the pen and you pass it around, it might go faster. What do you think?
No. Yeah, let's try it.
No?
No.
Don't think
Let's try that.
don't
Let's try
think
that.
it could beat your time, huh?
I'll put this.
Maybe not. Maybe not.
I'll do the last part.
That was a fast time.
Let's do it.
All right, so if in your groups, if you want to devise a plan for an assembly line, include parents, you guys can be included in this too. So take a few minutes, come up with a plan for assembly line, and we'll test it out.
So thanks for coming into mining for chocolate tonight. Yes. My name is Erin, and this is Keenan, and we're from Michigan Tech, and we're environmental engineers. So the goal of tonight is to have fun doing science and engineering together. So if you're not having fun, you should let us know, because then we're going to make you have fun tonight.
That's right.
So parents, sit with your children when we're doing the activity, because we want you to help out your kids.
Participate, have fun,
Yeah.
work together, be a team.
And so we have a question for you, quick. Is anybody here an engineer?
Raise your
What
hand if you're an
Anybody?
engineer.
What?
What engineer mean?
How about this? How about this? Have you ever built anything with Legos or blocks?
Anybody?
I would say you're an engineer
like-
then, right? You designed something, right?
Has anybody built a gingerbread house? I think you're.
Yeah.
I say you're an engineer.
When I
Yeah. Anybody? Oh, sorry. Anybody made a paper airplane?
Okay.
Well.
I'd say an engineer, you made a plane, right?
Yeah.
How many of you guys have fish or pets at home? Right? That's like environmental engineering. You gotta take care of the animal, right?
Yeah. So you guys all have a little bit.
So we got a
of
room
engineering
full of
and stuff,
engineers,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
So, tonight we are mining for chocolate chips out of chocolate chip cookies. Oh yes. You want to talk about mining? Keaton's going to tell us about mining.
Okie dokie. So, engineers in general can design things such as we talk about paper airplanes or gingerbread houses. But they also think about how to do things. They don't just design things and build things. They think about how to do it. And that's what a mining engineer does. They think about how can they get stuff from the ground that we want. Now, what kind of things do we mine? Anybody have any idea? What kind of stuff do we mine? Copper.
Yeah. What do you? Yeah. What else?
What else?
Gold.
Gold. Yeah.
What do you think we use gold for?
Money. No.
Money. That's actually yes,
Yeah,
currency.
definitely.
What else?
You're gonna buy pizza.
To buy pizza. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Anybody else?
Jewelry.
Jewelry. Yes.
Diamond.
Yeah.
Diamonds.
That's
Yes.
very true.
Yes.
Can anybody think of a liquid that we mine for?
Yes.
Definitely.
Oil is correct.
That's a very,
Very important
very
one.
important one.
Very important.
Yeah.
So, do you guys think that mining is an important thing for us then?
Yeah.
Right. So that is why engineers I should say mining engineers, focus on this because it's really important for us. Now, what do you think a goal of a mining engineer might be? We want to get these metals, right? But we want to be careful too, right? Because we want to do it in a way that is
A way that is not going to destroy the environment.
and costs money to do.
Yeah, think about it. Do you like running on like a big field of grass, or do you want to like fall into big, potholes that have been mined? No?
No.
Bigger holes than potholes. Yeah. That's what it's going to be like when you guys are mining for chocolate.
Yes. So when people are mining, sometimes it'll be like in the middle of a field, or maybe it'll be like in the forest or something. So today, we're going to give you 2 different places to mine. We're going to give you 2 different cookies to mine. One of them is a hard cookie, right? And one of them is going to be a soft cookie. You gotta be careful with it so it doesn't break because it's soft. There we go. Right? So there's going to be 2 different cookies you're going to be mining your chocolate chip cookies from. Now you're probably wondering, can I eat the cookie? Not right now. If you want a cookie afterwards, let us know, we'll give you one. Don't eat these ones because we're going to use them for mining, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to hand out the tools you're going to be using to mine your chocolate chips from the cookies, okay? As well as a little chart so that you guys can keep track of your mining endeavors, all right? So what I want you to do with your parents right now is look at the tools you have and think about how you're going to get chocolate chip cookies, or chocolate chips out of the cookies without breaking the cookie. Because breaking the cookie is kind of like breaking our environment. So we want to minimize that.
Before you start mining, remember, don't eat your cookies, and you're going to see how many chocolate chips are in here, so you can figure out how many you think you can get out.
What you're going to record on your chart. There's this side that says Design Challenge. Before you start mining, look at it and figure out on your soft cookies and on your hard cookie how many you think you can get out of each. And then you're going to have 10 minutes to mine. We'll tell you when to begin and see if you can beat what you estimated. But remember, we don't want to break the cookie in half. Why don't we want to break the cookie in half? Anybody have an idea? Why?
Because then it would be harder to mine and it would be expensive and it bigger to the environment.
Yes, actually, you
You
have
hit every
to.
point.
Yeah, you have to subtract any money that you earn if you break your cookie in half, and if you break it into 3 pieces or 4 pieces.
10,
Look at my chocolate chip though. Oh, I saved it. Wow, that was a good one.
5, 16, 17, 18.
Leah, you got all the chocolate chips, didn't you?
I'm using the scoring method and
Yes.
It's 22. It's hard to tell when it's a piece versus a whole.
Yeah.
Hey, why don't you use the scoring method
Yeah,
again?
the other one is going to be how many pieces the cookie's in, right? For each piece that the cookie's in, it's like $1,000 off.
Oh, really?
So, you try to figure that one out.
I thought it was only 5,000. Right, I thought 5,000 was the limit. I was like, okay, we can destroy this cookie for $5,000.
Well, that's true, right? I mean,
Yeah,
we made more
it
than
is,
5,000, so I guess it worked, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again.
That's not really what we're trying. Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again.
That's not really what we're trying.